has your Ghanaian experience been like?
Challenging, but very nice. Every day, something here makes me laugh.
Every day?
Every day, something makes me smile. And especially living at the beach, you know?
Yeah.
It's nice, very, very nice. I like it. I like Ghana, I like the climate, I like the happiness of the people. Yeah.
Tell us about your challenging experience, just a little bit.
Yeah, trying to get things done probably takes you 3 times as long than I'm used to. But I'm used to it now, you know.
Okay.
I've learned to not set my goals too high, but to do one thing at a time. And that way you feel that you've accomplished something. If you set it too high, no, you won't accomplish it because everything takes so long.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Simply Pimpa. If you're new here, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends. So today I'm in Krakow at DIZZY LIZZIE'S. No, I'm not a mermaid, but I know I'm always at this side of the world or in Ghana. And today I'm going to show you a place where you can have accommodation, you can have lunch. Well, it's a restaurant and bar. There is accommodation and there is entertainment. So I'm done with the long talking. Let's get into this video. Because of Corona, don't forget to wash your hands, you know. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm with the owner of the place. She's called Lindsay, right?
Yes.
Yes. Say hi to my subscribers.
Hello guys.
So you have this beautiful place, amazing place in Krakow.
Thank you.
So I wanted to find, how long has it like taken you to build this? Or first of all, how did you find this place?
Like I said, I came as a volunteer and I used to come to Krakow to chill. And then this was the last piece of beach land for sale, so I bought it.
Wow.
I bought it and I developed it, but I actually started in a kiosk with 2 tables.
Wow. So
Yes.
it was just like a chop bar, a restaurant?
Yeah, just a coffee shop and 2 tables. That's how I started.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah,
Don't
so-
despise humble beginnings. So you mentioned that you were a volunteer. What were you doing?
I was working with children at the time, yes. And then I opened my own NGO here.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
What's the NGO about?
With education, we've built a school, we've supported hospitals, operations, schooling, water boreholes.
Wow.
Yeah, we've done quite a lot, but yeah, it's
Wow, that's amazing.
quietly running now, I would say.
Okay, so when I was coming in, I saw that DIZZY LIZZIE'S, right?
DIZZY LIZZIE'S.
DIZZY LIZZIE'S. I saw you have accommodation.
Yes.
So can we have a look at that?
Yes, you can take a look at a room.
And how much is it a night?
For now, it's 100 CDs per night for
Okay.
a double room and 150 CDs for a family room.
Okay,
That's today's price.
okay, that's lovely. So can we have a look at that?
Sure,
please?
sure you can. So this is our double room.
Oh, very lovely. Okay. Lovely, clean. And then I guess we have the bathroom here. Okay. It's very cool. Okay, and then where you can have like your storage space. So you mentioned that it's taken you a while. You started in a kiosk and now you have this.
Yes.
How long did it take you to build this structure?
I've been on it for about 8-9 years.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
And you're still not done yet.
Still not done. No, because there's no foreign money coming in.
Wow.
This is all Ghana money, straight from Ghana. That's like that I earned here.
Wow. It's all made in Ghana. So you guys make sure you come and support Lizzie's.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So we have also entertainment going.
Yes, we do, but because of the COVID and the quiet times, we've sort of had to slow it down. But we used to have live band music going every Friday.
Okay.
Saturdays and Sundays, we used to have acoustic sessions.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Any poets, spoken word artists coming around?
Any?
Spoken word artists?
Do you know Tommy? Tommy from Accra?
No, I don't know.
No,
Tommy.
he's very good.
Oh, okay.
acoustic. Ellum, they've been here, but Ellum's in Italy now.
Okay. Okay.
And just local bands we used to have. Yeah. So
Oh,
it
that's
was nice.
lovely.
It was very nice. And we have an in-house incredible DJ.
Oh wow.
DJ Flip. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we play good music and we play to the crowd. You know, different sets of people come in. He changes the music, so it's nice. It's a nice vibe.
Okay, let me ask you this question. How has your Ghanaian experience been like?
Challenging, but very nice. Every day, something here makes me laugh.
Every day.
Every day, something makes me smile. And especially living at the beach, you know?
Yeah.
It's nice, very, very nice. I like it. I like Ghana. I like the climate. I like the happiness of the people. Yeah, I like the fresh food. To be able to go to the market and buy everything fresh. The fresh fish coming off the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
So you buy all your fish and everything?
Everything straight from the beach, yeah, the
Oh,
lobsters, all the fish. Yeah, they all come from the fishermen.
So what about Ghana? Can you tell us about your challenging experience just a little bit?
Yeah, trying to get things done probably takes you 3 times as long than I'm used to. But
Okay.
I'm used to it now, you know.
Okay.
I've learned to not set my goals too high, but to do one thing at a time. And that way you feel that you've accomplished something. If you set it too high, no, you won't accomplish it because everything takes so long. Internet is another problem. The internet down here is not so good.
Yeah.
You know, but apart from that, it's okay. Yeah,
It's okay.
I manage it.
Yeah.
I manage it. Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Thank you too.
We'll still go around, we'll get something to eat and enjoy the place.
Okay.
But thank you for having us.
Thank you too. Thanks.
Thank you. So guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends. This is located in Kokobite. It's close to Big Millie's backyard. I've done a video on Big Millie's backyard, but here I'm with Lizzie's and it's amazing. Very nice atmosphere, a wonderful location. The ocean is just opposite us. I'll show you all these things. Don't forget to subscribe.